Well, hello everybody. If you notice in the bottom right hand screen, you will find my socials. You're more than welcome to go follow me there. If not, I don't really care. Do what you want. Alright, so I'm just going to pause right here, and while I'm making this awkward face, I just want to acknowledge the fact that I have done my base already, so you will not be seeing that in this video. This is the first time I'm trying the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I did not like it. I am going to play around with it a little bit more to see if maybe I like it in other ways with like different primers and such, but for now, I do not like it. So just disregard my skin in this video. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. So as you guys can tell with the thumbnail that I really wanted to play with big bright pops of color. So in order to do that, the best way is to start with a primer. So I am using the NYX gel liner. This is just the white. And I did have to layer this up. This will definitely make those colors pop even more. Now after I set it with some powder, I am going into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm using this bright cobalt blue. It definitely worked better with my fingers. I did go in later with that brush, and I did use a little bit of Fix Plus, and that really did help as well to get that pigment to pop. Now I'm taking a clean flat brush and this black shade that I just pointed to, and I'm just going to make a bunch of lines on my eyes. I didn't really have any idea what I was going to do, so I just kind of went with it, and this is kind of what happened. Okay, so the gel liner is going to make the black a little bit more bold. I'm also going to be using this later for the winged liner. Now here I'm going in with some Tarte Shape Tape because it is the best for this kind of stuff, but I am just using it to cut all that negativity out of my eyelid. Now, if you do this look at home, which I can see it in your eyes, you're probably going to wear this to the office next week. But if you're going to do this at home, you're going to have to set it. So set them lids, girl. Set them. Here's me at a very weird angle doing winged liner, so enjoy. Now, whatever liner I have left on that brush, I am just going to pop that on my lower lash line and then blend it out. Then I'm going to pop on some mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!